With the House's reputation in tatters as a result of the flood control mess, its members are taking the lead to win back public confidence, beginning with walking the talk and publicizing their SAL-Ns. This as one Solon urges the president to direct the House to legislate more powers for the ICI while enjoining the latter to begin live broadcasts of its proceedings. Our Melalas Moras has more.
Kamanggagawa Party List Representative Eli San Fernando has formally submitted a letter to House Secretary General Sheloy Garafil authorizing public access to his Statement of Assets, Liabilities and Net Worth or SAL-N. According to San Fernando, this is part of his strong commitment to uphold transparency, accountability and integrity in government. Recently, the Office of the Ombudsman has lifted the restrictions related to the SAL-N disclosure.
Welcome po kayo na busisiin o makakuha ng copy ng aking SAL-N. At we urge our fellow colleagues, our colleagues in the House of Representatives na to do the same, to authorize the Secretary General na isapubliko yung mga SAL-N ng ating mga kasamahan. Dapat kasi maging kahiya-hiya ang korupsyon eh. Dapat maging kahiya-hiya yung usapin ng extravagant and lavish lifestyle ng mga public servants.
Earlier, House Speaker Faustino Bojidi III emphasized that the House of Representatives will also review its policies on the public release of lawmakers' SAL-Ns. In the name of transparency, several legislators have also called again on the Independent Commission for Infrastructure or ICI to make public its hearings on the alleged anomalous flood control projects in the country.
When you say independent, dapat impartial. Hindi independent na kayo-kayo lang yung nag-uusap dyan sa ICI. Dapat lahat tayo involved dyan.
Caloocan City 2nd District Representative Edgar Erice also urged President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. to call for a special session in Congress to immediately pass the measure that seeks to strengthen and grant full investigative powers to the ICI. This follows the withdrawal of contractor couple Sara and Curly Discaya from cooperating with the Commission's investigation. Erice said that without a law, the Commission will remain powerless, a matter that must be addressed at the soonest time possible. Meanwhile, ML Party List Representative Laila De Lima said that even though the Discayas have withdrawn, their previous testimonies can still be used against them, and she hopes authorities will take immediate action. Melalas Moras from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.